Hi everyone. One wrong download can lock your files. Windows 11 includes a security feature called controlled folder access that helps protect important folders from ransomware and other unauthorized apps. This feature is part of Microsoft Defender. If you're using Microsoft Defender Antivirus, you can turn it on. If you're using a third-party antivirus, this option may be unavailable because your antivirus manages ransomware protection instead. First, open Windows Security on your computer. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down and click Manage Ransomware Protection. Next, if you're using Microsoft Defender Antivirus, turn on Controlled Folder Access. If the option is missing or grayed out, you're likely using a third-party antivirus, and that software may provide its own ransomware protection instead. Once enabled, Windows will help prevent unauthorized apps from making changes to your protected folders, such as documents, pictures, videos, and desktop. Finally, if a trusted app is blocked by mistake, you can add it to the allowed apps list from the same page. That's it, a built-in Windows 11 security feature that can help protect your important files from ransomware and other unauthorized changes.